So I welcome you all to 26th day of the system trading challenge. All right. So today was basically overall a very nice day for trading. Okay. Except for a few points I'll be explaining you very quickly. So for the call side spike, right? I mean, initially when the market opened, it suddenly made a high of 0.8%, that is 344 points in Bank Nifty. Okay, and after that, after this spike, initial spike, it was like 0.2% up and zero point 0.2 or 0.3% down. For the next half, it was like continuously in this range. Okay, and not only Bank Nifty, but even like Nifty was behaving almost the same, and Finnifty was also behaving the same. So let me just continue with Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, what happened is, you know, these these moves look very small, right? It is because of two reasons. One was like there was a big fall yesterday on Friday, and suddenly in the morning there was a big spike on the up. All right. So if I just zoom in post almost 10 o'clock, then you can see the real carnage that happened in the call and put prices. See this candle actually was like 4325, 43325 and 43204. So 125 point candle in what wicks? In 12.6 wicks. And not only this candle, all the candles like this one at the peak, this one hitting the top as well as the bottom of the day in only 5 minutes. Now this full range where it hit a new high and a relatively a new low at around 1420. Okay. And then my final bet is, from here, market should go in one direction. Now, this candle actually was the deciding factor. I mean, till this point, I was positive 3,000, sorry, 3,000 rupees up on my capital, but uh, this reversal actually took it all. Okay, so I ended up in closing at minus 164 rupees today. All right, so tomorrow is Finnifty expiry, so let's see how it goes out tomorrow. Till the time, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.